Okay, good morning all of you. Am I audible? Am I audible? Yes. You can see board? You all can see board? Okay. And those who are sleeping can please show their thumbs up that yes or no. At least I can understand that you are able to see and listen to me. Okay. So here we have done till exercise 3B. Yes, isn't it? Yes. Yes. Till exercise 3B we have done. Adarsh, you can't hear me? Adarsh Yadav, 6F. Can you hear me? Then show me this thumbs up that you can hear me. Feel like this? Like sleeping? You got half an hour break, then 2 people are sleeping. Okay. Now, when I was going through it, I saw that I left the 6th question in exercise 3B. Exercise 3B, please go through exercise 3B. See, 6th question I have not explained you till now. Anmol.
Ma'am, ma'am, at home only I am doing the classwork work also and doing the revision also. Ma'am, I'm in the tuition. I came at the lesson 12.
Tuition, wherever you go, I don't want that. I want my fair work in fair copy, classwork copy, whatever classwork I am doing and whatever homework I am giving. No
Yes,
practice things there, because I already said in the beginning only that practice, if extra question I am giving you to solve, I will mention you that you have to do practice copy. So you will do practice copy. Practice copy means rough copy.
ma'am, I'm doing the practice every day.
So in practice copy you are doing, na?
Yes, ma'am. That only I came to the lesson 12.
Very good. Now, Divyansh is always having some problem. Yes, Divyansh.
Ma'am, I want to ask.
Be louder. I'm not able to listen to you.
Ma'am, in exercise 3B,
Ma'am,
I want to ask that first one we have to do in book or copy.
sorry.
First one,
First one you have to do in class copy. Only we have made it loud. Only one. Do you have made say 2 copies? No, na. Only one copy you people have made, na. I told you first class whatever we are doing, you will do here. And then after that, whatever the PDF is uploaded for homework, you will do homework. You will write HW and write that questions you will solve. Simple.
Ma'am, first one I want to ask that copy, miss, if we have to do in copy or book. Miss,
Copy only you will do. Why book you will do? We have done data. We already did alternate questions, and that we did in classwork copy.
Okay.
And remaining I gave to homework that you have to do in homework part.
Okay.
Okay, now come to 6th question, because we have not done 5th question. If you have already done, no problem. You will not do. You will just check your answer that you have done in proper way or not. Fine. Okay. Now let us come to 6th question. And those who had not done will do it. And those who had not done will do it. Okay. So 6th question. I will do first one. So these 3 questions I will do. First, third, and 5th. And remaining will be your homework. Okay. First question. The question is, how to subtract minus 180 from 180. अगर हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करें तो मतलब हुआ -180 को 180 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. Fine. Yes. That means what will be the first number? This means first number will be 180. Because we have to subtract minus 180 from 180. And then minus sign. And then what is the second number? Minus 180. Now, when you will open this, 180 minus into minus, what will come? Plus. 180 minus minus plus 180. When you will add both, answer will come 360. Next question. Subtract minus, wait for a while. Let me complete the last. Minus 630 minus 330. Plus 70 minus. Again, this number will be as it is. This and this will get multiplied. This and this will get multiplied. This into minus. Plus. What will be the answer? One number is negative, one number is positive. क्या करेंगे? Okay, so 630 minus 70. What is the problem, Akshat?
Miss, sometime your voice is not coming.
When I will move on to board, it will not come. But this now,
Yes, ma'am.
because every time I can't stand here. Fine. Astha, what is the problem?
Miss, your voice is not.
Your voice is also not coming. Check your connection. Yes, Radhya.
Good morning, Miss. Miss, your voice is not coming. Miss, can you explain that second one more time?
Okay. Shubham.
Miss, your voice is not coming.
Okay. Okay. Now, minus from minus 70. This means minus 34 minus 70 में से subtract करना है. So minus 70 will be the first number because we have to subtract the minus sign, and second number is minus 630. We will write minus into minus plus. One number is negative, one number is positive. क्या करेंगे? Minus 630 minus 70, 550 will be the answer. Yes. Okay. Now come to fifth one. Copy it fast. Third question. Please concentrate. Minus 90 from minus 1. Minus 90. First number. So we subtract. So minus. So minus 1, minus into minus. Plus 90. One number is negative, one number is. तो क्या करेंगे? Subtract. 89. Siddharth, what is the problem?
Miss, we have to do this in fair copy.
Array, where you will do then? Definitely you have to do in fair copy. Whole year you people ask where you have to do. When you have to do in rough copy, I will tell you. And whatever I am solving, that you have to do in fair copy, beta. Do fast. Saksham, what is the problem? Do fast, copy fast.
Miss, anything not?
Miss, I have already done this all.
Yes, ma'am.
Sixth second. Do fast by your own. Do fast, 6 seconds. Do fast. Yes. Okay, what happened?
Miss, I have to give the answer of second one.
What is the answer?
Miss, minus 50, minus 150.
Rajman,
Good morning, Miss.
good morning.
Miss, I don't have my maths copy.
Don't have math copy.
Miss, we have to submit a maths copy on 21, na? So, Miss, I am at my nanny's home. That's I have give my copy on my home.
What
Miss, I
happened is
can-
saying that you are where you are, some different place.
Yes, Miss.
Where you are.
Miss, on my nanny's home.
You will not submit any copy.
Miss, I will submit. I've give my father to take the
Okay.
copy.
You don't have to come. You have to send your parents only.
Okay, Miss.
Just write your proper name, roll number, class. Okay. Inside also and outside of the copy also. Okay, done. This question done. In this way. Correct? Very good. Good one. Fourth one. Who will show me? Who has done?
Miss 95.
Yes. How? Because you will do 0 minus 95 and minus plus, and any number added to 0, answer comes same.
0.
Correct? Okay.
Yes, miss.
Who sixth one? Sixth one. Sarthak, tell how we will do.
Miss, minus 9. Miss, minus 9.
Very good. Correct. Very good. Okay. So now please lower your hand. Those who have raised hand, please lower your hand. Kashish, Siddhant, Astha, everybody, please lower your hand. Kashish, lower your hand. Astha, you too, lower your hand. Okay. Now you tell me any problem in. We have done almost all questions. Yes? Any problem? No? Yes, what is the problem, Anmol?
Ma'am, I have to ask that. Ma'am, I have to ask that every exercises question we have to do in the class or copy. Means every exercises question.
Whatever till now we have done, that should be in copy. The rest I will tell you when I will do the chapters.
When we will submit our copy, then the work will complete.
Whatever we have done in class and whatever I have given you homework, that should be in your copy or till exercise 3B. Now understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Sarthak, what is the problem?
Miss, we have to do the 15th question.
15th, I think I have given homework.
Yes, miss.
So 130 minus 100, directly your answer will come 30 from in west direction. That is a homework. Anshika?
Miss, I have not understand the second question.
Huh?
Miss, I have not understand the second question.
Which second question?
Minus 75, minus 75.
Minus 75 was there because we have to subtract, so minus sign will be there. And what is the second number given in question? Plus 75. कोई sign नहीं लिखा हुआ है. So minus 75 और minus into plus तो minus होता है ना?
Yes, miss.
Minus, we have to add. Yes.
Okay, miss.
Lower your hand. Azib.
Ma'am, please side.
Ma'am,
Very fast.
ma'am, I'm not understand that third B 12th question.
Why you have not done?
Ma'am, because I'm not understand that.
But taking tuition now. Right
Yes,
now you
ma'am.
said on tuition you are on the chapter.
Yes, ma'am, I've
What
done,
he
but
explained you,
I'm
he explained you.
Yes, sorry, ma'am.
What he explained you or she explained you, tell me.
Sir, ma'am, sir, he has said that that is the homework you have to do at home.
Very
Ma'am.
good. But what question is give you homework? You give to me, he will follow. What he will give, that is give to me, I will solve.
No, ma'am.
And when I will explain in class, that time you think about your tuition teacher. You once left, I will come to your home.
Ma'am,
I will tell afterwards. Because already I explained that question twice, isn't it? Did I explain that question, yes or no? 12th one. Now I will not explain. Wait. You have to concentrate here in my class. Now if you will ask any questions to me, then you see I will come to your home. I will take your address and I will come to your home. You're not concentrating in class and more. What we are doing here, every day you are asking same question. Which questions we have to do in classwork, we have to do in homework, or we have to do practice. From beginning, from last 1.5 months, I'm explaining this thing. Samia Aziz, what is the problem?
Miss, I have not understand this sixth one last question.
Minus
Yes, miss.
16 from minus 25. minus 16 को minus 25 में से subtract करना है. So minus 25, subtraction sign, and what is the number? Minus 16. Minus into minus, plus. एक number negative, एक number positive. What we will do?
Miss, minus.
Subtraction. Very good. So 25 minus 16, 9. What sign you will put? 16 or
Miss,
25
minus.
में से कौन सा बटन? Very good. That's it.
Thank you, miss.
Yes.
एक मिनट वो देना सर.
Please mute yourself, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Ma'am, that you have explained till chapter 3, so I can do the 3A and 3B full exercise of how much questions are there.
Whatever we have done, that you have. हमने 3A नहीं किया है क्या? We have not done 3A. Samia, can you tell me? We have done 3A or not?
Yes, miss, we have done.
And we have done all the questions. Half I have done in classwork and half I have given you homework.
Yes, miss.
Then what is the problem? I don't know. What is the problem? You have to do 3A, 3B. 3C is multiple choice question. हिंदी में बोल रही हूँ फिर से. 3A का आधा क्वेश्चन हमने क्लासवर्क में किया और आधा I have given you homework, जो कि PDF अपलोडेड है आपके होमवर्क वाले साइट पे.
Okay, ma'am.
में लिखा हुआ है. So you have to daily you have to see क्या होमवर्क मिला हुआ है. And rest प्रैक्टिस वाले क्वेश्चंस जो नहीं लिखना होता है वो मैं खुद ही बोलती हूँ कि उसको आप प्रैक्टिस कॉपी में कर लीजिए. लाइक MCQ फ्रॉम बिगनिंग ओनली आई एम सेइंग फर्स्ट चैप्टर से ही कि मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन हम लोग नहीं करेंगे क्लास में क्योंकि वो एग्जाम में नहीं आते हैं. इट डजंट मीन कि वो क्वेश्चन नहीं आएगा. आई एम सेइंग मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम में नहीं आते हैं. So that is your responsibility to solve. Okay? तो इस तरह वाले क्वेश्चन हम लोग प्रैक्टिस कॉपी में कर लेंगे. कोई प्रॉब्लम होगी तो पूछ लेंगे. अंडरस्टूड पार्थ? Jitesh, Harish, tell me.
Miss, fill in the blanks by mistake I have done in the copy.
So no issue. Pratik, what is the problem?
Miss, you have given 6th and 8th one in homework.
Yes, so you have done now.
Yes, miss.
So I have not explained. That's why I explained for the students who has not done. Okay.
Thank you.
Anmol, now what is the problem?
Ma'am, from that time not done the lower hand. Ma'am, from that time not done the lower hand. Can you explain which was one?
Question is given the sum of two integers is minus 23. Okay, sum. Rest of you mute yourself. Those who are not muted, please mute yourself. Okay. Sum of two. Now lower your hand.
Okay, ma'am.
The sum of two integer is minus 23. If one of them is 12, एक integer 12. I don't know. And the sum is given as minus 23. What will be the value of this dash? What will it be? Minus 23 minus 12. As I said before, जब एक number की तरफ जाता है, it changes its sign. Yes? Remember? So 12 positive है, it will go that side, it will change its sign. Minus 12 it will become. Yes?
Yes.
Answer will be minus 25. What?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so now this chapter is over. We are moving on to the next chapter, that is chapter number 12. Please close your book and close your copy, sit straight and concentrate what I am saying. So next chapter we will start, that is fundamental concepts of algebra. So algebra is a very new chapter for you because you have not done it before. Yes? You all have done or not? No, no? Yes. Done. Kumar Parth, have you done before in this class? No. So we will move on to algebra part. So first of all, you must know what do you mean by the numerical expressions and what do you mean by algebra? Okay. So first is when we started mathematics, जब हम लोग LKG UKG में गए, तो we started from 1 2 3 for counting of numbers, isn't it? सबसे पहले तो counting सीखा. When you came to LKG, we started counting of numbers. When we went to first class, then some operations were there. Operation doesn't mean that you have to take the number in operation theater and you have to do operation. No. Operation of number means plus, minus, multiplication, division. Okay? From first standard you started with plus, addition, isn't it? पहले addition पढ़ा, फिर subtraction पढ़ा, then you started with multiplication, division. Yes? That is only called as operation on numbers. Okay. After that, when you came to more higher standard, then you got the questions like this. 2 plus 3 into 2. Like this the questions what you got the एक साथ एक ही लाइन में मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी आ गया and addition also came, subtraction also came. Yes, yes. So that was a numerical expression. Numerical expression means numbers थे and plus क्या थे, signs थे, plus minus multiplication division का. Yes, yes. That was numerical expression. Then now when you move till 5th class, so we studied till here only. ठीक है? Plus minus का concept सही आया. We came to know what is number, what is whole number. Then we did plus minus, BODMAS rule padha, and nothing else. And rectangle, triangle, that is the geometry part. That leave it. When we will come to 5th, 6th standard, एक और number introduce हुआ, that was integers. In spite of natural and whole number, one more number was increased in was added, that was integers. Yes, that we have already done. Now we will move on to algebra. And algebra type of questions already we did in the last chapter. Last में मैंने किया था अभी, जहाँ पे x लेके काम किया था. Yes. Yes. But what is algebra? So algebra is when it is a generalized mathematics. Generalized mathematics. See, Siddhant is feeling sleepy. It is a generalized mathematics where numbers are written in form of x, y, z, a, b, c. Okay, x, y, z, a, b, c. Somewhere people take p, q, r, but we always take small letters. Okay, are you getting my point? Okay, so numbers, it is a generalized mathematics. थोड़ा सा ऊपर की mathematics है ये, where the numbers are written in form of. Please don't open the book and copy, and please concentrate what I am saying here. Please. So the numbers are written in form of x, y, z, a, b, c, p, q, r, like this. Means letters के form में लिखे हैं. Yes. So that is algebra. Okay, in this algebra, there are two types of numbers. One is constant and one is variable. First of all, we will know constant का मतलब क्या होता है और variable का मतलब क्या होता है. ठीक है? Like this. Okay. When we studied natural number, तो वहां पे मैंने बताया था 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers को हम numerals कह रहे थे. Yes. We were saying numerals. Similarly, X, Y, Z, A, B, C, P, Q, R will be called as literals. जो letter के form में लिखे हैं numbers, we will call it literals. Okay. Now, there will be two types of numbers. One will be constant. The Kumar Parth having fun. Please concentrate here. There will be two types of number. One will be constant and one will be variable. अब आते हैं constant. Constant and variable. What are the constants? What are the constants? Constants mean symbol having fixed value. जिसकी value बिल्कुल fixed हो. That will be called as constant. This means numerals will be called as constants. Got? अब 2 को change तो नहीं कर सकते नहीं ना. अगर 2 लिखा है तो वो 2 ही पढ़ेंगे. Yes. So 2 is constant. 3 is constant. -4 is constant. Yes, we can't change that number. Okay, so numerals will call as constant. Like 2, 3, 4, -2, -3, -4. Which is having fixed value. It is having fixed value. This will be called constant. Any problem here? Any problem? Literals, constant, any problem? Anybody? No problem. Now, the second term which I have written, here is variables. Variables. Okay. Variables को हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे? सूर्यांश, are you sleeping, बेटा? सूर्यांश श्रीवास्तव. Okay, so what is variable? What is variables? Variable को हिंदी में बोलते हैं जो वेरिएट करे, मींस जिसकी वैल्यू चेंज हो. Getting my point? The values which we can change. Okay, means the literal numbers will be called as variable. Literal numbers will be called as variable. That is X, Y, Z, A, B, C. These all will call as variables. क्यों variables कहेंगे? क्योंकि हम, if you want, you can put x is equals to 2. If you want, you can put x is equals to 3. If you want, you can put x is equals to 5. Means we can change the values. Fine. So it will be called as variable. And constant means what? Which is having a fixed value. Means which is having a fixed value numbers. That will be called as a constant. And variable is not having a fixed value. They are the literal numbers. Means we can change the values. Okay? That is variable. So if anybody asks what is constant, you will say all the numbers will called as a constant because it is having a fixed value. If anybody asks what is variable, you will say literal numbers will be called as variables because it is having different values. We can put different values. That is X, Y, Z, A, B, C. Fine. Now, जैसे मैथमेटिक्स में पढ़ा, what happens? Suyesh.
Good morning, Miss.
Good morning.
Miss, when you were teaching about literals, then Your voice was cracking. Can you
And you
explain?
were sleeping that time. I also saw.
No, miss.
So tell me,
Miss, please can you explain me literals?
I can explain him to you, but please sit properly. And the one who is sitting with you, please tell him or her don't to disturb you. And please sit alone. Okay?
Okay, miss.
Yes.
Yes.
So what is the literals? Literals means the numbers which are having different values. Literals means all the letters like X, Y, Z, A, B, C, P, Q, R, X, Y, Z. These will be called as literals. After that, I explained to you. और इन सबको हमेशा छोटे लेटर में लिखते हैं, यानी कैपिटल ए, कैपिटल बी, कैपिटल सी लिखेंगे. No, we will always write small letters. Okay, these are literals. What is constant? Constant पढ़ाया. Constant का मतलब होता है जिसकी fixed value हो. तो fixed value सिर्फ numbers की होती है, like 1, 2, 3. Maybe fraction also, 1/2 minus 3/4. That is also having a fixed value. So that will be called as constant. And when we will talk about variable, variable means all the literal numbers like X, Y, Z, A, B, C. Variable का हिंदी में मतलब होता है जिसकी values variate करें. If we will put different values, the you will put different numbers, you will get different value. Yes, understood? Yes. Saksham, what happened?
Miss, anything not?
Why you have raised your hand? Okay, next thing is we will study, जैसे मैथ्स में पढ़ा था, ऑपरेशन ऑन नंबर्स. तो फिर हमने क्या पढ़ा था जब थोड़े से बड़े हुए तो 2 + 3, 5 + 4 एडिशन पढ़ा. Yes, yes. Similarly, now we will study operation on in algebra. Operations में we will study plus, minus, multiplication, division. So I will tell you. First, I will talk about addition. I will talk about addition. So we can do addition of constant and variable. So first is adding. X plus 5. Other anywhere it is written that 5 is more than, we will write X plus 5. Or it is written find the sum of variable X and 5. What you will write? X plus 5. लिख लेंगे? लिख लेंगे? स्टेटमेंट को मैथ्स के फॉर्म में लिख लेंगे? Yes? Okay. If it is given, write the sum of two literal values X and Y. कैसे लिखेंगे? Hear carefully. The sum of literals X and Y. कैसे लिखेंगे? X plus, not getting. If the question is given, write the sum of literals X and Y. कैसे लिखेंगे इस पूरे स्टेटमेंट को मैथ्स के फॉर्म में? Riddhi?
Miss, X plus Y.
Very good. Sum of literals X and Y, we will write X plus Y. बस छोड़ दिए, हो गया. क्योंकि अभी हमको सीखना है कि कैसे एक स्टेटमेंट को मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म में लिखना है. Only this much. Addition and that we will do after. So right now what you must know कि कैसे उस स्टेटमेंट को इतना बड़ा सा एक स्टेटमेंट दिया होगा तो मैथ के छोटे से फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. Yes. So Okay, now we will come to question. Subtraction we can do. If it is given, x decreased by 5. X decreased by 5. So how we will write? X minus 5. X minus 5. Okay? If the question is given 5 subtracted from x, तो कैसे लिखेंगे? Anybody? Nilesh? 5 subtracted from x.
Miss 5 minus x.
5 subtracted from x.
5 subtracted from x. 5 minus x. Miss.
Ah. Yes, Sanskruti?
X minus 5.
X whatever I said, translate into Hindi. 5 subtracted from x. मतलब हुआ कि 5 को x में से subtract करना है. So that means x minus 5 हो. या तो फिर ये लिखा हो 5 decreased by x, then also you will write x minus 5. And if it is written 5 subtracted from x, then too you will write the same thing. Got it? Got it? If the next question I am telling, x decreased by y. X decreased by y. How we will write? Arya Gupta. X decreased by y. How we will write? X decreased by y.
Y minus x, x minus y.
Parth.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. X decreased by y.
X decreased by y. X minus y.
Very good. X minus y. Or same thing if it is given x increased by y, then x increased by y. Increase का मतलब addition, decrease का मतलब subtraction. And we will write x plus y. Yes? Yes? You can do the statement how to convert into algebra form. Okay. How to do multiplication? Those who have just given answer, please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. If the question is given in multiplication, 8 times x. Times का मतलब क्या होता है? Multiplication. 8 times x. How we will write? Anshika Singh.
X into 8.
Huh? Divyansh.
Miss 8 into x.
Very good. 8 into x. What is the answer? If the question is given, product of y and z, how we will write in mathematical form? Product of y and z. कैसे लिखेंगे इसको? श्रेयांश? श्रेयांश गुप्ता? First unmute yourself. Shreyansh, beta, unmute yourself. Yes. How we will write product of y and z?
Ma'am, you are not audible. Please say again.
Sorry.
Ma'am, please say again.
Product of y and z.
Ma'am, the minus the subtraction of my answer.
प्रोडक्ट का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा?
Ma'am, multiplication.
Then why you are subtracting?
Answer and multiplication.
अच्छा, अभी नहीं आ रहा है. For everyone,
Yes,
for everyone I am saying. Product of 2 and 3 को कैसे लिखेंगे? Product of 2 and 3.
Ma'am, 2 into 3.
Similarly, product of y and z, what we will write?
Ma'am, 2 y into z.
Very good. Yes, y into z.
Yes, ma'am.
अभी हम कुछ और नहीं पढ़ रहे हैं. सिंपली राइटिंग पूरे इक्वेशन लाइन को मैथ्स के फॉर्म में कैसे लिखेंगे. And nothing else we are studying.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't be panic. Don't be confused. So like this we can write. Yeah. Okay. One more question here. So yes, tell me. How we will write x is subtracted from 10.
Miss 5 minus 10.
Acha. X is subtracted from 10.
Miss x. Miss 10 minus x.
Very good. If Kiara, tell me the product of 10 and y.
10 multiplied by y.
10.
10 multiplied by y.
Very good. So now you all can do I think. Yes? Okay. So next. Divide by x. कैसे लिखेंगे? Anybody? 2 divide by x.
Miss 2 divide by x.
नहीं आ रहा है. Just x की जगह कोई नंबर रख लेते हैं. 2 divide by 4. How we will write? 2 upon
2 upon 4.
Yes, similarly we will write 2 upon x. Yes. If the question is given x divided by 4, how we will write this? Anshika, x divided by 5, 4.
X upon 4.
Very good. Is clear? Clear? The question is given y divided by z. How we will write? Siddhant. Y divided by z. कैसे लिखेंगे?
Miss y upon z.
Very good. Means you all can write. हो जाएगा now? We can do. Divyansh, any problem? Any problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to ask that x divided by y, it will be x upon y. Then we can write like that also, that x divided y.
Ah,
Means
yes,
we
yes.
can put the sign of
Yes, yes,
division.
yes, yes, sure, sure.
And just one more question I have.
Hmm?
That means the product of x y x you have done above. Then you have written that miss,
X into y.
yes, miss. Miss, we can write like that, that x y.
हाँ, but you must know कि x y साथ में लिखा है, इसका मतलब है कि बीच में multiplication का sign है.
But it is hidden.
Yeah, it is hidden.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Thank you, ma'am.
But I will tell you afterward. So only left powers. Come to page number 167. Everyone, page number 167. Exercise 12A. Question number 1 and 2 is your homework. Tomorrow is my period. Tomorrow is my period. Yes. So tomorrow, first and second question you will do in your rough copy. Okay, in your rough copy. Or those who want can do in book itself. And tomorrow I will ask you this. Third and fourth we will do afterward. First, second, third. Okay. First, second is a homework, and this I will not upload on your website. Orally, I am saying that is your homework. Okay. Please revise this chapter as well and complete it till exercise 3B and ready with your copy. And tomorrow we will be completing 12A as well. Okay. So 12A bhi kar lenge, and then you will give your copies for correction. Yes. Yes. This is easy. Okay. Thank you so much, class. Any problem, Adhya?
Yes. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Ma'am, we have to do exercise 12A, ma'am, first question 1 and 2, or ma'am, second.
Question number 1, all. Question number 2, all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, beta. Yes, Nitesh, any problem? Janvi? Kiara?
Ma'am, we do question number 2 in our rough copy.
हाँ, if you can solve in your do in book, अगर बड़ा होगा do in your rough copy. Tomorrow I will do in fair copy. Nitesh, what is the problem?
Miss, we can solve all the questions in rough copy. If any problem will help, then we can.
Yeah.
Thank you, Miss.
Suresh?
Good morning, miss.
Good morning.
Miss, I am asking that if the value of y is 5, then what is the value of z?
This is not a full question. ये कोई full question नहीं है. Question ऐसे होगा जैसे हमने question solve किया था 3B exercise का कि if one number is given 2 and second number is x and sum is 20, so what will be the value of x? ऐसे पूछते हैं question. ठीक है? So until we don't know the sum, we can't take out the value. Fine? Okay. Thank you so much, class.